This is the Milwaukee 6-ton knockout tool. I wanted to take a minute to show you guys some of the basic features before I do a demonstration of the tool. As you can see, I have the body of the tool here. And let me first show you a little bit about how that works. Right now I've only got one part attached, and that's the part of the quick connect here. This is the part that the quick connect goes into on the body. It's screwed all the way in. The basic function here is just in and out. So I'm going to, right now, you can see that the quick connect is sinking into the body, and reverse is right here, which pushes it back out. That's really most of the movement of this device. There's really not that much more to it. It's actually a very simple device mechanically. The nice part about this device is there's very few exposed moving parts. It's producing a lot of pressure when it does that. You wouldn't want to get your fingers caught in there. So they do have a sleeve right here that goes over the top of it, and that protects the quick connect device from pinching any fingers or doing anything other damage in there. So what I'm going to show you right now is just how it connects. I have a quick connect set up already over here, and I'm going to show you doing the cutout in just a minute. But all you have to do the quick connect is just lock that on, and you can spin this just so it doesn't slide off, and then you fire it up and use your quick connect. I'm going to do that demonstration in just a minute, but I wanted to give you a high level about how the tool works. And that's about it. It does come also, just FYI, with a 2.0 lithium-ion battery. There's a 4.0, and I think they're up to 8.0, maybe even higher now, or 9.0. So there's a lot of different batteries. This one comes with a very basic one with this particular set, and that'll do you for most jobs. I was able to run several tests on the 2.0 battery, but when I'm using drills or saws, I do like the higher batteries, the 4 and the 8.0, like I said. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you for starters here. I think the demonstration will be a lot more useful. Anyway, thank you. So as you can see, I have the cutter all set up. The quick connect is installed. Everything's ready to go here. We're just going to cut a 1.5 inch hole into this lid. As we showed in the previous, I had to put a pilot hole through there so we could fit this piece through. But now all we have to do is do exactly what we do in real life. We turn the puller into on position, use the quick connect to attach it. Hear it cutting right now. There we go. Finally, I just wanted to show the hole that was cut and the end result. So you can see there's two pieces that were actually cut out independently, and the hole is perfectly round and smooth. As you can see, it actually came out really nicely, very clean. You don't have to deburr any of that, I don't think. So anyway, I just wanted to show the final result because I realized I cut off that last part a little quick. But that's it. You just let the puller pull the blade all the way through, and then you have these pieces on the inside, obviously. And once it pulls the puller all the way through, you're done. And you just reverse the process and push it back out, and you have a nice clean hole. Anyway, the quick connect's really the thing to note here. I think that's really one of the nice advantages for anyone who's doing a lot of these, is the ability to set these up independently and just pull them through. One thing I didn't show, there is a thinner puller that wouldn't require such a large pilot hole, but I think it doesn't work with quick connect. I haven't really used this much. I find the quick connect to be pretty helpful. Anyway, that's all. Hopefully you enjoyed the review and enjoy the product.